Hello everyone. Here I am to share how to make quinoa super delicious in instant pot and stovetop with my healthy ingredient. Due to quinoa's strong smell and taste, many hesitate to eat. But this combo is so good, enhances its taste, beats the smell, comes out perfect, fluffy and non-mushy. It tastes so yum that you will love eating quinoa and you won't miss rice at all. This is a great way to add quinoa in your diet, being rich in fiber protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Here is my favorite tofu shashlik with this combo. Tastes so amazing. Let's get started. So here is my another healthy ingredient. Protein, iron and fiber rich rice alternative, cracked wheat. I'm going to take off half of each grains. First add quarter cup quinoa in a bowl. Add quarter cup cracked wheat. Wash 1 to 2 times. As these grains are tiny, mesh strainer works the best. The most important thing for perfect texture is water ratio. It's 1:1 for quinoa and 1:2 for cracked wheat. Quarter cup water for quinoa plus half a cup water for cracked wheat makes 3/4 cup water in total. So let's add 3/4 cup of water. Once you get the idea of water ratio, you can play around nicely with grains proportions. It will never go wrong with texture. Now add quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 chili, less than quarter teaspoon salt. Mix once. Add 1 cup water in instant pot. After placing the stand, keep grains bowl. Close the lid to sealing. I prefer to stack rice bowl with my rice alternatives in instant pot. Both gets cooked at one go. Such a big time saver. Wash rice in another bowl. Add 1:2 water. It's very easy to stack bowls like this. Keep bowls inside instant pot. Close the lid to sealing. Pressure cook high for 5 minutes. After timer is done, wait for natural release. As you see, both grains and rice gets cooked at the same time. Comes out perfect fluffy. Won't be sticky or mushy. Rice also gets cooked well. This texture is perfect for beating rice cravings and to add as salad toppings, etc. Let's see stovetop way. Stovetop needs little extra water than instant pot, and the process is little different. First boil 1 cup water in a pan. So we need 3/4 cup water, 1:1 for quinoa, 1:2 for cracked wheat, plus quarter cup water extra. Total 1 cup water. Add quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, less than quarter teaspoon salt, and 2 chili. Once water boils, add grains. Cook on high flame initially. Mix 1 to 2 times in the middle. Cook on slow flame for 5 minutes after water evaporates. Quinoa should get cooked from inside out. Hope you enjoy these delicious grains combo in your meal. See you again with many more amazing healthy recipes and options. Thanks for watching.